If you're looking for something built for trail riding and casual off-roading, you want a CRF250F for fun. With its reliable power and durable design that easily handles rough terrain, the electric start-equipped CRF is ideal for casual riders seeking fun and adventure. The Honda CRF250F is competitively priced starting at $4,899, making it one of the more affordable options in the 250cc off-road motorcycle segment compared to other brands like Kawasaki, Yamaha, Suzuki, and Beta.
Not a racer, but still a champion.
CRF250F is the perfect choice for just about everyone else. Built for trail riding and off-road fun, it offers the features that make Honda your best choice. First, its legendary reliability. Next, its refined ergonomics. That means you will have a blast riding all day long. Fuel injection means no clogged carburetor jets after a winter off, and air cooling keeps things simple. And finally, since it is styled like our championship-winning CRFR models, you'll feel like a factory pro even if you're just out having fun. Sized right for most adults, this is probably one of our most loved bikes in our off-road fun lineup. A single is the perfect choice for a bike like this. It's light, simple, and fuel efficient. The fuel injection helps it deliver plenty of smooth power and torque, which is ideal for a wide range of riders. Fuel injection means quick cold weather startup, fewer emissions, better performance, and fuel efficiency. This bike features a tubular steel twin-spar frame that is lightweight and durable. The Showa fork boasts large 41mm sliders designed to enhance handling and increase strength. Thanks to our ProLink rear suspension and Showa damper, the bike offers excellent comfort, traction, handling, and rider confidence. A 21-inch front wheel and 18-inch rear wheel provide a range of tire options ideal for off-road riding. That front brake rotor features a pedal disc design inspired by competitive MX. In addition to being lightweight, it runs cooler and helps reduce sprung weight as well. Because it features a counterbalancer, the engine is a smooth runner. You get the narrow overall width and power advantages of a single, along with exceptional smoothness. Another benefit of fitting it with fuel injection is a clean-running engine, which meets California's stringent carb emissions standards for off-road motorcycles. The CRF250F comes with a 5-speed manual transmission, providing enough gears for varying speeds on different terrains. This gives the rider more flexibility when navigating hills, muddy sections, or fast straights. This bike has loads of racing DNA in its style. You'll love the look and feel of it. The CRF250F comes with a 2.0-gallon fuel tank, offering sufficient range for long off-road rides. With its efficient 4-stroke engine, the bike offers good fuel economy, which is important for off-road riders who might need to cover long distances between fuel stops. The CRF250F has a comfortable seat height of 34.8 inches, providing a good balance for riders of various sizes. The seat is designed to keep the rider comfortable during long rides, offering enough cushioning without being overly soft. The handlebars are designed for a comfortable riding position, and the controls are easily accessible. The placement of the throttle, clutch, and brakes makes it easier to maintain control during technical maneuvers. With electric starting, you can quickly start your vehicle on cold mornings or if you need to restart while out on the trail. This system is tried and tested, adding to the fun of riding. The front headlight of the Honda CRF250F is designed for durability, visibility, and functionality, providing enough light for off-road riding while withstanding rough terrain. While it traditionally uses halogen bulbs, modern versions or aftermarket options might offer LEDs for better efficiency and brightness. The system is designed with off-road conditions in mind, ensuring resilience against impact and the elements. The CRF250F has a simple, easy-to-maintain design. With minimal complex electronics and a robust engine, riders can perform basic maintenance tasks like oil changes, air filter cleaning, and chain adjustments with ease. Honda's attention to quality and durability ensures that the CRF250F will stand up to the rigorous demands of off-road riding, making it a low-maintenance choice for riders. The Honda CRF250F is an excellent choice for off-road enthusiasts due to its perfect blend of reliability, ease of use, and performance. Known for its durability, it can handle tough terrains while offering a smooth and manageable power delivery that makes it suitable for both beginners and more experienced riders. The bike features a well-designed suspension system that ensures comfort and control over bumpy trails, while its lightweight frame and ergonomic design make it highly maneuverable in tricky conditions. Additionally, its affordability and low-maintenance design make it a practical option for riders seeking a high-quality, hassle-free off-road experience.
Keep watching the Bike Planet for more detailed videos.